to prolong your battery life and get the maximum charge time from your Android device. I have found the best solution. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. First, you need to access the Settings app on your phone. Scroll till you see Battery and click on it. This will bring you to the Battery Settings page. Here you can see your current charge time available and allows for customization of your phone's battery. Enable battery protection by clicking on it. As you can see, there are more options available to you. Basic, which allows for charge to remain between 95 and 100%. Adaptive, which is based on your sleeping pattern. And Maximum, which stops charging at 80% and prolongs your battery life. As the aim of this video is to prolong your battery life, let's select Maximum. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.